Left my doubts at home tonight. Me confidence can't come and take a bite. My skin, my hair, they
Kia ora, Nathan Mooney here, Property Brokers, Palmerston North. Welcome to 34A Union Street. As you can see, we've got an extremely funky townhouse that I want you to check out. We've got 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, large living spaces, a fully fenced and private courtyard, but the cherry on top is the location. We're asking you to stand in the middle of the street, in the middle of Palmerston North, and film a real estate video. But that's enough from me. Let's go through and check it out.
iconic. Got my body moving to the beat. My dress on, you know it. No one's gonna stop my dancing feet. I'm on it, iconic. All I know is I just wanna dance, dance, dance. Fully charged with energy. Feel the blood rush into me. It's my calling, can't you see? Like Paul once said, just let it be. And when those doubts come back my way, there's a game I like to play. Say words won't bring me down today. Lord, don't let that fade away. Baby, you don't know when to stop. Me to feel right, me to be like. I got my satin dress on, you know it. No one's gonna stop my dancing feet. I'm on it.
Where else in the world would you want to be? Give me a call or come to my next open home. Nathan Mooney, Property Brokers, Palmerston North.
I'm on it, iconic. All I know is I just wanna dance. I got my satin dress on, you know it. No one's gonna stop.